Hi friends, today we are going to review this Shivsun mosquito racket that we have. As you can see, it is saying its brand name here, Shivsun Smart Lighting Smart Ideas Anti-Mosquito Racket. There are some of the specifications mentioned: fast rechargeable, strong durable, instant kill, better coverage, long battery life. But what I can say is this is a cheap replica of a mosquito racket coming from the brand of Godrej, that is HIT. This is, even the photo is of that product. Here also they have used the same photo. So it's a cheap replica which they are rebranding as Shivsun. And in the back, as we can see, they have big mentioned as Make in India, because we know the racket coming from HIT is made in China. We are not sure what exactly this product is made in India or not, but it is mentioned here. Some details have also been mentioned about the basics of how to use a mosquito racket, and then some things are mentioned in Hindi also, but they are not same. So either if you know both the languages, then only you can read all of it. Otherwise you will miss half of it. That is funny. So it is marketed by unknown organization, SS Enterprises, based in New Delhi. Even their address is not written, no customer service, nothing. MRP is 399 rupees. Let's see how it goes. Let me keep this packaging aside. This is the product that comes out of this. Here also you can see, it is just a cheap sticker which they have pasted, and this is completely a replica of HIT, and it is actually a cheap replica because you can see the plastic quality is very bad, pathetic. The switches are not right. It feels really cheap actually. The lights are coming out, and the plastics feels cheap here also, as you can see. And it charges with these two prongs, and they are very tight. I don't think they will stay for long. By the way, I got this from local market for around 130-140 rupees. It is easily available, but I am very much doubtful. It's a packed, it's a new product, but still I can see it's pretty dirty. There is no finishing. The manufacturer did not even bother to clean it once before shipping it out. And there are, this thing is it's a flaw, and this thing is just a design. It does not serve any purpose. That's why it feels really cheap. I just cannot commit how cheap it feels. And this is the mesh, again copied from HIT's model. So this manufacturer did not even bother to design something. So we were speaking about the buttons. As usual, you can see they have copied even the switches. As you know, the HIT racket comes with a small LED that is also useless, but still that one has a LED. So they copied the switch also, and they have it mentioned here that this is the switch, this is the power, and this is off. Now it's on off. It does not go on 3 levels, as you can see. So it's a bad copy as well. They did not even use slightest of their mind while copying it. So it's on, and this is the light indicating that it is powered on. Let's see how good the shot is. I am taking a metal object. Oh, that is, I think they are using very substandard quality product, because it's really not powerful. Maybe you can kill some small mosquitoes or something with it, but you will not hear that satisfying thud, that satisfying blast of a good mosquito racket. So it's a big thumbs down from me. Better not buy these cheap ones. I don't know, maybe it will last a month or two max, because the plastic quality is really cheap. The parts are already coming off, and this is a brand new product. I don't know how long it's gonna last, and most importantly, it's cheap. The sound is also not correct. It's not powerful enough, and it's just a cheap replica. I urge Indian manufacturers to not resort to such cheap tactics. They should use their own design and everything. But still, if you are very tight on budget, under 150 rupees, if you want something, then this is it. This is what you get for what you pay. And even this sticker, it will come off in a day. It's just a plastic sticker paper which they have probably printed at their office. But what we can say is, still what I would say is, rather than going this, we should go for around 200 rupees or 250 rupees product and buy something good, something better. So thank you for watching the video. Signing off. See you next time with some more reviews.